Okay, Mr. Skip, I'm going to keep this real short on the video. Your Power Deluxe 35A. Works great. It's on. What I'm going to show you is, we're looking at the 1000 watt scale, which would be the bottom scale. 40 is 400, 60 is 600, the mark in between is 500. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, hair past 500. I'm gonna show you as I key it right there. See, it's keyed up. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And there's the preamp. It works great. Bridge rectifier's blowed. Had 2 small 20 amps from the factory. Looks great, don't it? I replaced it with a heavy duty 50 amp unit. 50 amp. So sorry you had trouble. That's a freak accident with the bridge rectifiers. It probably blew the second you flipped it on. Thank you, bud.